Welcome to the Book Express channel. We bring you summaries of books we think you may like to read. Have you ever wondered how to start with options trading? Well, let's dive into that. Options trading is a form of investment that goes beyond just buying or selling stocks. It involves purchasing the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a set price within a specific time frame. This offers a unique flexibility that can be tailored to suit your investment goals, risk tolerance, and market outlook. But where do you begin? Here's where the book, Options Trading Simplified for Beginners, Master the Essential Option Skills for Generational Wealth. Even with a small account, comes in. This comprehensive guide breaks down the jargon and complex concepts into digestible bites, making it easier for beginners to understand and apply. Think of options trading as a chess game. It's not just about the current move, but also about planning for future scenarios and adapting your strategy accordingly. Options trading can seem intimidating, but with the right guidance, it can be a gateway to generational wealth. So, what are the key concepts you need to understand in options trading? Well, let's start with the basics. In the world of options trading, there are two types of options: call and put. A call option gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy an asset at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, within a certain time frame. Think of it as a special pass that allows you to buy something at yesterday's price, even if the market price has shot up. On the other hand, a put option is just the opposite. It gives you the right, but not the obligation, to sell an asset at the strike price within a certain time period. It's like having a safety net, allowing you to sell at a decent price even when the market price has plummeted. Speaking of the strike price, this is simply the price at which the option holder can buy, in case of a call, or sell, in case of a put, the underlying asset. It's like the price tag on a piece of clothing. It tells you how much you need to pay if you want to purchase it. So far, so good? Now let's move on to the expiration date. This is the date at which the option contract expires. After this date, the option holder loses the right to buy or sell the underlying asset at the strike price. Think of it like a coupon with an expiry date. After that date, the coupon is simply worthless. And there you have it. These are the key concepts you need to grasp in options trading: call and put options, strike price, and expiration date. They might sound a bit complex at first, but once you get the hang of it, they're pretty straightforward. Mastering these concepts is your first step towards becoming an effective options trader. Remember, options trading isn't just about making quick profits, it's about understanding the market, making strategic decisions, and building generational wealth. So take your time, learn these concepts, and start your journey in the fascinating world of options trading. One might think you need a large sum of money to start options trading, but is that really the case? Let's delve into this premise. The book, Options Trading Simplified for Beginners, places a significant emphasis on starting small. It's not about having an enormous account balance or a vault of gold to kick things off. Rather, it's about understanding the market, strategizing, and making consistent, thoughtful trades. So, even with a small account, you can start your journey towards building generational wealth. It's all about the power of compounding and strategic trading. You don't need a fortune to start, just a small amount, a clear strategy, and the discipline to stick with it. The book reiterates that it's not about the size of your initial investment, but the consistency of your actions and the soundness of your strategy. Remember, it's not about having a lot to start with, but about making smart and strategic decisions. So, are you ready to start your journey in options trading? It's an exciting path, filled with opportunities, complexities, and of course, the potential for considerable financial growth. Remember though, that every journey begins with a single step. Your first step is to arm yourself with knowledge, and this book, Options Trading Simplified for Beginners, is an excellent starting point. The beauty of options trading is that it's a skill, not a gamble. It's about understanding the market, making calculated decisions, and most importantly, continuous learning. The more you learn, the better you get, and the greater your potential for success. This book is designed to guide you, step by step, even if you're starting with a small account. It's filled with essential skills and strategies that can help you build generational wealth. Embrace the journey of options trading, because your journey to generational wealth starts here. If you would like more book summaries, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.